Welcome to FJS Easy Math Zone. Understand the concept in easy way. Grade 5 Chapter 1 The 4 Operations Part 3. Yesterday's continuation. I can. First problem, solve the following. In that we are going to see E 4326 times 123. First step, what you have to do, you have to split the digit according to the place value. You will get 100 plus 20 plus 3. Second step, you have to multiply all the 4 digits by the number 3. Now you will get 3 times 6 is 18. 1 carry over. Then 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. Then 3 times 3 is 9. Then 3 times 4 is 12. Second step is over. Then next step, you have to multiply 4 digits by the tens place, that is 20. So when you multiply, so in ones place we will write 0 because it is in tens place. So we have 0. So you have to write in ones place 0. Then after that you have to multiply by the number 2. So now you will get 2 times 6 is 12. 1 carry over. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 times 4 is 8. Second step, that is third step is over. Then next step, you have to multiply 4 digits by the hundreds place. That is 4326 times 100. So what you have to do, you have to write in ones place 0, tens place 0. Then what is the number it is given? 1. When you multiply 1 with the number, you will get the same number. So 6, 2, 3, 4. So now what is your last step? You have to add all the digits. 8 plus 0, 2 zeros you have. So 8 plus 0, 8. Then 7 plus 2, 9. Then 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 2 carry over. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 carry over. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 carry over. 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is your final answer of this 4 digit by 3 digit number. Next problem, that is F. So the given number is 2253 times 292. So your first step, you have to split the digits according to the place value. You will get 200 plus 90 plus 2. Then next step, you have to multiply this 4 digit number by 2. When you multiply, you will get the number as 3 times 2 is 6. Then 2 times 5 is 10. 1 carry over. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Second step is over. The next step, you have to multiply 2253 times 90. So when you multiply, so we have only one digit as 0. So you can write it in the place of ones place. Then you multiply the 4 digit by the number 9. So now you will get 9 times 3 is 27. Then 2 carry over. Then 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. Then 4 carry over. Then 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. Then 2 carry over. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So your third step is over. Then next step, you have to multiply 4 digit by 200. That is 2253 times 200. So here we have 2 digit as 0. So you can replace in the place of ones and tens place 0. Then you multiply the 4 digit by the number 2. So now you will get 2 times 3 is 6. Then 2 times 5 is 10. 1 carry over. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Yes. Then fourth step is over. Then next step you have to add the numbers. So when you add, you will get 6. Here you have 2 zeros. 6 plus 0, you will get the same number, that is 6. Then 0 plus 7 plus 0, you will get 7. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Then 1 carry over. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is your final answer. Next problem. Solve the following. G. Divide 74,653 by 12. 74,653 is the dividend and 12 is the divisor. So 12 will be the outside the bar and 74,653 will be inside the division bar. So what is the first step you have to do here? You have to check number of digits in the divisor. So in divisor you have 2 digit. So in dividend you can take 2 digit number, that is 74. First, then next step you have to divide 74 divided by 12. Then after that you have to multiply. Either you can get the same number or you have to get the nearer number. So now 12 times 5 is 60. Then 12 times 6 is 72. So 72 is nearer number. So 12 is the divisor, 6 is the multiplier, 72 is the product. So now what you have to do? You have to write 6 in the above the bar. Then 72 you have to write it in the dividend. Then next step you have to subtract. 74 minus 72 you will get 2. So 2 you can't divide, you have to down the next digit 6, then you will get 26 is the number in the dividend. Now you have to divide 26 divided by 12. Then next step you have to check how many 12s are there in 26. So 2 times 12 is, or 12 times 2 is 24. So 2 you have to write above the bar, then 24 you have to write it in the dividend. The next step you have to subtract the number 26 minus 24, you will get 2. So again 2 you can't divide, you have to down next digit, that is 5. You will get the number as 25. In 25 Now you have to divide 25 divided by 12. Then multiply 12 times 2 is 24. So now you will get 24, 25 minus 24. You will get 1. So 1 you can't divide, you have to down next digit, that is 3, 13. In 13, how many 12s are there? So 12 times 1 is 12. You will get 12 in the dividend. Now you have to subtract 13 minus 12. You will get the number as 1. So now you will get the remainder is 1 and quotient is 6221. The next problem, divide 18,826 by 13. So 5 digit by 2 digit. So 89,826 is the dividend and 13 is the divisor. So now first step you have to check the number of digits of the divisor. So 2 digits in the divisor, then you have to take 2 digit in the dividend. So when you take 2 digit in the dividend, you will get the number as 89. So in 89, how many 13s are there? So you have to, if you know the table, can write easily, or else you can multiply and see the number. So now 13 times 6, 18, then 1, then 6, 78. Right? So 13 times 6 is 78. So 6 you have to write it in the right above the division bar. Then you will get 78 in the dividend. So now you have to subtract 89 minus 78. So 9 minus 8 you will get 1. Then 8 minus 7 you will get 11. So 11 you can't divide 13. So you have to down 8. So now we got 118. So now you have to divide 118 divided by 13. Now you have to multiply 13 times, can we 9. So now you will get 9 times 3 is 27. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. So now we got 9 times 13 is 117. Now 118 minus 117, you will get 1. 1 you can't divide, so you have to down 2. So what you have to do, 12 also you can't divide. So we need another digit to down. So before bringing down 6, you have to write, replace 0, then we can take the next digit. So now you got the number is 126. So 126, how many 13s are there? So we know 13 times 9 is 117. 117. So you will get 9 times 117. So now when you subtract 126 minus 117, you will get 9. So 9 is the remainder, 6909 is the quotient. Hope you understand the today's concept. Thank you.